5 smart things you must do before 31st March to save tax. Before 31st March, you can legally reduce your tax to almost zero, but only if you take the right actions in time. Number one, check your portfolio. If it is showing loss, then book it. If your investments are in loss, then don't ignore them. Book the loss before 31st March. And you can use it to reduce your capital gains, because short-term capital loss can be set off against both short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain, and long-term capital loss can only be set off against long-term capital gain. And if you don't have gains this year, you can carry forward this loss for 8 years. Just remember, you need to file your ITR on time. And the second action is that you have to check your portfolio. If it is in profit, then use the exemption of 1,25,000. If you have long-term investments held for more than 1 year, then book profit up to 1,25,000 before 31st March. And this gain is completely tax-free. And the best part is you can buy the same investments again. And you can reset your cost price and use this exemption every year. This is how the smart investors reduce long-term tax to almost zero. And the third action is invest to claim deductions. So if you haven't yet exhausted your tax-saving investments, now is the time. Invest up to 1,50,000 under Section 80C like ELSS, PPF, LIC, and claim additional 50,000 under National Pension Scheme. So don't wait till last minute. Plan wisely, not randomly. And the fourth action is check your deductions and proofs. Review all your eligible deductions. Health insurance under Section 80D, interest on education loan, home loan benefits, and make sure all the proofs are submitted or documented properly. Now the fifth action is final tax check. Before 31st March, calculate your total income and pay any pending tax. Otherwise, you may end up paying interest and penalties later. So whether it's loss, profit, or fresh investments, this is the time to take action. Don't wait till the last day. Review your portfolio, plan your taxes smartly, and make the most of these opportunities. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep after tax. So if you like this information, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such information on tax saving and financial planning.